sitting in the kitchen with Nagato. I'm gonna make a milkshake, one of my favorite milkshakes. I'm gonna put strawberry in it. I'm gonna put vanilla. I'm gonna put some more vanilla. I'm gonna put French vanilla. I'm gonna put some watermelon. I'm gonna put some strawberry Nestle mix. I'm gonna put some sugar. I'm gonna put some milk. And I'm gonna put some Oreos. Oh no, actually forget the Oreos. I don't wanna open it. Alright. Alright. And this tastes pretty freaking good. Toby, you want a glass, man? That's so good. Here, man.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh. I don't fucking